In this video, we will show you how to use Sika's fast epoxy resin system for structural laminate repairs. The damage is chamfered and cleaned before lamination can be started. Start with opening the product and remove the protective cap. Load the product into the dispenser and attach the mixer to it. Flush one mixer length of the resin so the unified mixing is ensured. Apply and spread with a vacuum roller one layer of the resin directly to the substrate. Apply the pre-cut fiber patch and add another layer of the resin. Make sure that the fibers are saturated and there are no dry spots. Repeat the process until the damaged area is completely covered. Apply the peel ply and the protective foil before attaching the heating blanket. Let the product cure according to the product data sheet before any further treatment.